In today's video, I will show you how to see blocked message on iPhone. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So you will have to simply go to your phone settings just right here, and you will have to scroll down to the option of message, which is right here. And inside message, still you will have to scroll down to the option of block contacts, which is right here. And then you will have to press on this option of blocked contacts, and here you will find a bunch of people you blocked, and these people will not be able to send you text messages, and absolutely they will not even be able to call you or send you an email, even FaceTime to you. So this is how you can view people you block from messages you and understand. Unfortunately, I don't have anyone have already blocked, but you can still add it by can still add my block contact, but just by tapping on the blue icon which says that add new right here, and you can choose anyone randomly. You can block, let me block that contact right here, and still you can go ahead and unblock by sweeping left right here and tap on unblock. So that's how you can block someone from messages. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.